Welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time, my name is Masika Efuru. Today I am here to do a wear test and comparison on the new Estee Lauder Futurist Rescue Moisturizing Foundation, and I am in the shade 5W1 Bronze. I am going to be comparing this new Estee Lauder foundation to the Double Wear foundation. If you would like to see how both of these foundations compare to each other, how well they hold up on my oily skin for the full 12 hours or maybe even longer, I don't know how long my day is going to be today, please keep on watching. I am gonna go on the right side of my face with the new Estee Lauder Futurist Rescue Moisturizing Foundation. I'm using a damp beauty blender to do the blending. I am gonna go over it for a second pump so we can both see how buildable the coverage is. And as you see with the one coat, this is the side that has foundation and this side doesn't have foundation yet. It has a luminous glow to it. As you can see, this side is really glowy. I'm gonna pour it on my hand as I don't have the pump for this one. I feel this should have been remade with a pump by now. Nevertheless, it's a wonderful product. I am gonna flip the sponge to do the application of the double wear so that way I don't mix the foundation. I'm not gonna use a concealer as well because I feel mixing the products sometimes you can give a bad review. And this is the side with the double wear. I went over this side just one time. You see how full coverage it is. I went over this side 2 times. And the Futurist Rescue side is really glowy, and the double wear side is a bit more matte. But one is a hydrating foundation, and one is a mattifying foundation. That's the obvious difference. To set both foundations, I'm using my new Bite Beauty Set and Refresh powder. And if you are new to my channel, I recently reviewed this setting powder.
Hey love, you alright? You fell kinda hard. I ain't crazy. Looking at me like I'm crazy. I said you fell kinda hard. What I'm trying to say is, girl, did it hurt when you fell from heaven? Girl, did it hurt?
This is the side with the Estée Lauder Futurist Rescue Foundation. This is the side with the Estée Lauder Double Wear Foundation. And both sides are seamless. They're both, as far as application, they both applied very easily. As you can see, everything applied beautiful, everything set lovely. Both sides are seamless. As you can see, this is the side with the double wear, and this is the side with the new Estée Lauder Futurist Rescue Foundation, and they're both really seamless. I'm gonna keep these foundations on all day, and I'll be back later to show you how well it holds up to my oily skin. This is the side that I use the Estée Lauder Double Wear Foundation on, and everything is seamless still. I didn't blot today as I wanted to show you exactly how it held up, and everything is seamless. However, I did get a bit oily right on this side where I did use the new Estée Lauder foundation, and I believe that it's not like if I was to blot, I don't think that it would lift the foundation or anything of that sort, as it do still look really beautiful and wearable. It doesn't look bad or overworn. It's really pretty. And on this side where I use the double wear, it is just seamless. I don't have any oiliness where I do have oiliness on this side where I use this new Estée Lauder foundation. And for blotting, I'm gonna use my Boscia black charcoal blotting paper. And it didn't lift the foundation at all. It is just taking the oils away. And like I just mentioned, I don't have to blot on the other side. I don't have any separation by my nose or under my eyes. As you saw when I applied this foundation, I did not put any concealer under the eyes because I wanted to see exactly how this foundation wear. I wanted to use as little product as possible on my face so I can really see truly how these two foundations compare to each other. And this is really lovely. I will recommend this new Estée Lauder foundation to just about anyone who loves beautiful foundation, long wearing foundation, as this is a natural coverage foundation and there is a matte coverage foundation. It's also a full coverage foundation, this Estée Lauder, and they're both beautiful. However, I would say if you're oily, the Estée Lauder Double Wear Foundation is definitely a better choice for you than the new Estée Lauder. And it's nothing bad I can say about them, honestly. They're two beautiful foundations, and like I said, I'll totally recommend them to anyone who loves beautiful long wearing foundations. These are absolutely two good choices. And if there's anything at all that I did not mention about these foundations, be sure to leave me a question in the comment section and I will be more than happy to respond. If you are new to my channel, be sure to click on my picture right here and subscribe to my channel, as I do look forward to seeing you in all of my videos. Thank you so much for watching.